Hi, today we're going to be doing a science experiment to make fire bubbles. We're going to need a can of butane fuel, some Dawn dishwashing liquid, a container, a lighter, and some needle nose pliers. Now, in normal form, butane fuel comes out as a mist sometimes, or just an aerosol. It's used in camping stoves, refilling lighters, what have you. So if you turn it upside down though and depress the nozzle with needle nose pliers, you can make liquid butane. Now, liquid butane is 31 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a degree below freezing. So that's why the frost has built up on the outside of the glass. Let me set this over here. Now, you want to take some Dawn dish soap and just add it to the mixture. Put on there. Kind of swirl it around. Get some nice foamy soap bubbles going on, mixing with the butane. Now what you're getting is almost like a glacier type foam. Okay, I'm going to pour out Look how blue those bubbles are. Pour those out there. Move everything off the table. And what you get as an end result is flaming bubbles. And it doesn't really seem as though the blue bubbles are really on fire. The flame is just kind of dancing around the blueness of the bubbles. It doesn't look like they're even burning at all, except for the flame hovering over them. So it's a really, really cool experiment. I wouldn't recommend trying this without supervision or a fire extinguisher nearby. But as you can see, it really doesn't, even though butane is very flammable, it really doesn't explode in fire as you would expect. But it just kind of burns and kind of hovers there, you know, on the table. But it doesn't really turn black. It still has the nice glacier look to it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.